Oh, what's good, people? Well, you don't know it's your boy Stitch and here from Tech Track Auto. So today I'm doing an oil change on this JHL here. As you can see, oil bath lane. You get the 24 socket here. Catch pan at the bottom here. So time for change the oil. Yes, people, so putting the oil in here now. So I see my Guyanese style filter. All them bushman supposed to know this. Who know? But if you all know, now you all know. What this is used for? Take the leaf. Set the leaf like that. Good. Shake up the oil. Open up. Angle yourself. Pour in. Go then down there. Take out. Clean off. Check the oil. In. If you could see what's going on. Oil right here. Get it? Yeah, as you can see right now with the oil there. Also, if you don't see it properly, you could see it on the screen. Check it out on the screen. See the level? You don't know, Tech Track Auto in the next video. Boom.